So next is your employee group. I'll create the employee group. So from first I'll come. Again is PRO, SAP reference ING. Here you have to go with financial accounting. Sorry, you have to go with enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure definition, under definition human resource management. Now you have to go with employee groups. Employee groups. In this employee, as I told you in introduction, if you want to create an employee group, okay. So first of all, employee group will be discussing about your group of employee in the organization. Okay? What kind of groups you have in the organization? Whether some people will be working for permanent, some people will be working for contract basis, some people will be working for temporary, some people will be working for project basis. Okay, so some people will be retired, some people will be inactive. Okay. Everything you have to create in the step. How many group of people you have, everything you can define here, but using single characteristics. So now what will I do is I'll click on new entries. Any single characteristics you have to give, make sure it is not repeated. Make sure it is not already exist. So I'll give here T and I'll give here Vijay permanent employee. Okay, only single character. You enter, it will check whether it is, if it is already exists, if some other on the basis of T, you'll be getting a pop-up called as already exist. Okay, so you have to create two groups. One is permanent, another one also I'll create TR I'll create. Contract. Okay, contract employee group. Enter. So this is also taken. I'll click on save. So when you are creating, if it is difficult for you, you have to check in the initial screen. I'll show you where you have to check. So here you have to check which are the characteristics is not created. That one you have to take it because this is single characteristics. It will be difficult to create. Okay. So you have to check and then you can create. Okay. Okay. So two group I have created. What are those two?
T.
Yeah. T
and R. One is permanent, one is contract.
Very good. Yes. So I'll come back. Group is done. So next I'll go with employee subgroup. Employee subgroup. Activate. Okay. So now you have defined employee subgroup. Define employee subgroup. Double click on this. You'll get the screen. In the screen, click on new entries again. Here the maximum is 2 characteristics. I'll give T1. So there I have created T as for permanent employees. So people who are working in permanent, I'm saying that people who are working in permanent, those people are working for monthly. So here I'll give it as Vijay.
Okay.
Monthly. Good. Monthly. And R1 I'll create as weekly. This is speaking about permanent employees, T1, and R1 is speaking about the contract employees. Give this information, save. You can also do like, okay, this is already exist. So here I'll leave it as R1. So this I'll give it as R2.
Okay.
Okay. You can also create like this. You have one employee group. In each employee group, you can create 2 employee subgroup. That is also possible. Right now, I'm making simple like for each employee group, there is only one employee subgroup. I have created and data also. It is
Okay.
I'll come back.
Saved. Okay.
Again, come back. Close this tab. So next, as creation is done, you have to assign them. So whenever it is assigned, you have to go with assignment, not for the definition. Assignment, human resource management, Under human resource management, you have to go with assign employee subgroup to employee group. Assign employee subgroup to employee group. If you remember this step, we have already done. Done, right?
Hmm. Correct, correct.
Now I'll do this assign employee subgroup to employee group. Active. You'll get the screen. In the screen, click on new entries. Not position till now. Whenever we went to assignment, we went to position. But now we will be going with new
Hmm.
entries. So I'll click on new
New
entries.
entries. Okay.
In this new entries, first it is asking us employee group. So first employee group is T, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yes, T and R1. So T is representing your permanent, R1 is representing your monthly. So this is one group now. People who are working for permanent,
Hmm.
they are defined as monthly employees.
Monthly. Correct, correct. Okay.
Understanding?
Yes, yes, understood.
Great, great. So now this group is created, but this group should be applicable for which country? I have to show it. So I'm saying this group should be applicable for India as well as for US. So India as well as US. USA. Because these are the two personal areas I have created. So
Okay.
I'm saying only this in these two countries I have the branch. So those two countries I have enabled, and then I'll go for save.
Okay. Then you click save, right?
Yes, very good. Yes. Save, continue. Done. Simple. Now I'll come back again. If you remember, we have one more group. For that one more group also, we have to do EE stands for employee group. EE subgrouping is nothing but employee subgroup. So
Okay.
T defines your permanent, R defines a contract. Contract R2. R2 defines your
Okay.
monthly. Give this information, give enter, description, it will automatically show. So here now, VG contract employees defines weekly group. It should be applicable for
Hmm.
US
Correct.
as well as for India. Done. Right? Then I'll go for save. Save, come back. That's all. If you want to cross verify, go to position. It is asking your employee group T. T. See here, completely it is maintained. And one more was R.
Okay.
R. R is also done. Right?
Okay. Hmm.
Done. That's all. Here ends your enterprise structure. So we
Okay.
have maintained a company first, company code, assigning company to company code. So it we defined personal area, two personal area we have defined, and we have defined for each two personal area we have defined employees personal subgroup. Then we have assigned them to company code. This step we have done this. Then we have created employee group. Employee group we have created, and then we have assigned them also. So we have done 9 to 10 steps we have done covered. Okay, here ends your enterprise structure.
Yes. Yes. Correct. 9
Okay?
steps.
So
Hmm.
first we have to practice this,
Okay.
then we can continue with the next topic. So till now you're clear.
Hmm.
So when you're using this
Yes.
server,
Yes. I know the step one.
yes, you know the step, but when you're
Hmm.
maintaining at that time you will get doubts. So that is the reason I'm saying you have to practice. Most
Correct.
on
Hmm.
Monday you can join.
Hmm.
Please join at 3 so that I can merge with
Yeah.
another student. Okay, for you I'll be taking online session. For next person I'll be.
Yes. Yes. I'll do that.
So
Hmm.
it's the same. I'll pay attention for everyone.
Okay.
Okay. So join at 3 Monday. Same
Yes.
link.
Yes. Yes. I'll join at 3. Surely. Okay. Okay. I'll join.
Okay, Sanjana. Anything else?
Okay. Yeah. For now, that's all. Yeah.
Okay, Sanjana.
I can attend offline classes also, right?
You
After
can,
like
you
1
can,
or 2 weeks. If I have doubt, I can come to the institute, right? You will be
you
there.
can, you can. Till 4, I'll be available on weekdays.
Okay.
Sorry, weekdays. And weekdays
Okay.
I'll be available till 1:30.
1:30. Okay. Okay, but sure.
Okay, Sanjana. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.